Hi, this is Jim Brisson from ScoutRoom.net. Let me give you an overview of emails, how to send emails out of ScoutRoom. Most straightforward way, under the mega menu, in the email category, click on Compose. That'll bring up a dialog, and it'll have to and CC fields. This works pretty similar to Gmail. These to and CC fields are autocomplete fields, so if you type in the beginning of someone's name, the ScoutRoom will nominate a few email addresses that matched your string. Similarly, you can type in things like the beginning of a patrol name, and all of the patrols will be added, all the members of the patrol, or adult roles or a scout role. So let's do COMM, see if we get the committee chair, and SEN, senior patrol leader. Okay, so you can pull up different names or groups just by typing in and selecting from the autocomplete field. That works for the to and the CC. Assistant Scoutmaster, so those are the Assistant Scoutmasters. Okay, so you can do it in the to and the CC field, the subject, type any old subject in, choose a file. You can attach multiple files if you'd like. Let's add my lovely wife's picture. And you can type in some in the body using this editor, which allows you to do ordered lists and nice thing, make bolds, change the colors, and so on. So that's how you can send emails in a very straightforward way using autocomplete fields. Let's try a different technique. All right, let's go to a filterable member list. This allows you to do filtering of members based on a variety of criteria. Let's do a very similar one to what we just did. Let's get the same answer here, a different way. So we're going to get scouts that are in the Flaming Arrows Patrol. We'll filter on the list that way. And there's a variety of filters. So this can be very useful to do things that are not possible the other way. So now I press the Email All button, and it's going to bring up a dialog. Same dialog that we had before, except now we have this special cursor with an E on it, and that means that we can paste the email addresses in. The only email address really in the demo troop is noreply@scoutroom.net, and ScoutRoom compresses the email addresses, removing duplicates, so it doesn't look like it got all three email addresses, but trust me, it does work, and you'll see it work properly in your unit. So let's get some more email addresses a different way. We can go to the leadership roles, for example, the scout leaders. Let's pick up the team webmaster and maybe the librarian. Notice it puts a check mark after them. Let's go to our dialog. See, the cursor is back. We can paste those in. See, the cursor disappears when there's nothing to be pasted anymore. So we went to scout leaders. We can go to adult leaders, pick up some more email addresses. Chaplain, say, doesn't really matter, does it, for the example, and paste those in. Same field, subject, attachments, and body. There's another place where you can pick up some email addresses, and that's in the reports. So if I go to reports, say let's see who needs youth protection. That might be an interesting thing to do. So let's type in YOUTH, PR. That's enough probably, and we'll get the youth protection people. So who needs youth protection training? Oh my, a lot of people. Okay, so let's click on the Email All button. We'll send them an email. So you can do some interesting things and send email to everybody who needs particular trainings, send emails to people who have a merit badge. Say you want help with training on a merit badge, so you could find the scouts that have that merit badge. Now that's how you send email to a subset of people. Since you're not sending it to everyone, there's no need for everyone to be able to see that email. The sent mail that's a view of the emails you sent, only you see the sent emails. Same with drafts. That is not a public view, not public to other members of the unit. News messages is how you send email to everyone in your unit. So let's create a new one of those. All right. There's no to and CC fields because you're sending it to everyone already. There's no question of who it's being sent to. It has a subject line, a headline, and you can attach files, and there's a body. So it's very, very similar. It's just that it's sent to everyone. Now, because it's sent to everyone, everyone knows about it, so we can save that publicly, and that's what's done in the news messages view. You'll see all of the messages that have ever been sent by everyone by anyone in the unit. See a nice picture of them. And by the way, these are searchable. So if you type a string in here to search, maybe you're looking to see what notes you sent regarding Weeblos Woods last year. So you can type in Weeblos Woods in the search criteria and find them. So those are the 3 different ways you can use the autocomplete and send email that way. You can use the email all button, send email that way, or send email to everyone via news messages. Okay? I'm Jim Brisson from scoutroom.net. I'll catch you next time. Thank you.